Hi friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to create DeepSeek account and use it for free. First of all, we have to install the DeepSeek in our phone. You can easily get official DeepSeek for both iPhone and Android in App Store or Play Store. All you have to need, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for DeepSeek and go ahead and install the DeepSeek AI assistant. Once it's installed, open the DeepSeek app. Now it's time to create a new account. Here, to create a new account, tap on sign up, or you can easily sign in with your Google account by tapping on the sign in with Google option, tap on agree, and now go ahead and select the Google account from which account you want to sign into DeepSeek account. Let's sign up using email address. So I'm selecting here sign up. Now enter here your email address in this field and write here a strong password for your DeepSeek account. Tap on back. And here, now we have to add a verification code, and you will get the verification code to your @Gmail address. Just tap on send code and you have to verify a captcha here. So just verify the captcha. Once you successfully verified, now you will get a verification code to your email. Just open the Gmail app on your phone and just open the mail. Here we can see the DeepSeek verification mail. Let's copy the code from here. Go to the DeepSeek app again. Enter the verification code, tap on back and check this option, tap on sign up, and your DeepSeek account will be created. Now you can go ahead and use DeepSeek AI in your phone just like so. Thanks for watching.